Là, on est au Québec, il fait froid avec Esther de l'Alliance Française de Moncton. On se l'écaille, il doit faire ressenti -30.
Check this out. It looks like an apocalyptic scene, but I have to admit it's actually pretty stunning.
Quebec with the snow, that's something. My God.
And the feeling of being inside a giant freezer. Luckily, we had the best bus host to warm up the vibe. Honestly, that's RIDEAU too. Fun, good vibes, and networking even between stops. But of course, the heart of RIDEAU is all about discovery. Incredible artistic showcases, jaw-dropping Quebec and Francophone talent. And guess what? We got music, fiery rap concerts, dance, more music, and music, and music. Theater wasn't left out either, with powerful performances. And let's not forget cinema. Many new events will soon be available on our site to help you keep practicing your French. Beyond the shows, RIDEAU is also the chance to meet artists, producers, and distributors, exchange ideas, and network. A huge thank you to the organizers, the artists, and of course a shout out to my colleagues from Toronto, Ottawa, Vancouver, Moncton, Montreal. See you next year for a new edition and maybe a little less cold.